Hello! Well, with the weather being so nice yesterday, I thought I'd jump out on the bike. On the way back, I called in the Haynes Motor Museum at Sparkford. Didn't go in the museum itself, only called in for a coffee. But even before I'd made it in the building, this thing caught my eye. It's a Ferrari California. Apparently runs a V8 and is capable of 196 miles an hour. Somebody got some money. Lovely. I know how to live. Now these vehicles you're going to see now coming up are just in the lobby as you go in. Now this is a Honda Civic Type R. Well, half of one. As you can see, all of the outside panels have been removed so you can see all the components and everything inside. During the 1980s, Ford produced the RS200 to compete against the Audi Quattros that were winning nearly every race in the World Rally Championship. The RS put out 350 brake horsepower from a 1803cc four-cylinder engine. It was turbocharged, mid-engined, four-wheel drive and capable of 150 miles an hour. Most of the ones that were made were road legal, and the cost of it new, just a mere £50,000. Well, if the RS is not your thing, how about a Jensen CV8? Capable of 133 miles an hour, it had a fiberglass body with aluminium doors, a wooden steering wheel, full leather interior and gauges galore. Cost new, a mere £3,392. Or how about a Wolseley Hornet? Often dubbed the Mini with a boot, it had a little more luxury than the standard Mini. Even the Wolseley badge in the grille lit up when the lights came on. Cost new, £578. Oh, and you wouldn't win any races with a 0 to 60 time of 24.1 seconds. I imagine 0 to 60 on that thing's a bit quicker. Of course, being a Triumph, notice the drip trays catching the oil leak. And for the green ones amongst you, there's always the Microlino, a four-wheeled electric city car apparently capable of 56 miles an hour, if you're that brave. Cost new from €12,500, and a 0 to 60 time of 5 seconds will see you right up the arse of that Ford RS200.